pull this cover off, just slide up, and it should slide out. Pull that out of your way. Disconnect the connector right here. There's a little tab underneath here. Just slide that out, pop it off. Use a 10mm socket. There's a nut on this side. Take this nut off. And the other side. And this shield comes up. Just slide it out of the way. Shield comes off, and there's 2 bolts or studs. Use the same 10mm socket. Take those off. Take those studs off. And grab the valve and slide it out. And take the gasket off. You can grab it. If there's any remaining pieces of the gasket, you want to use a scraper and just scrape it off. And just wipe it off. Take the new gasket, line it up on the new valve. And just slide it in position. Get the studs started. Snug those down. Take the shield, line the shield up, line it up on the studs, and put the nuts on. And snug those down. Connect the connector. Now I take the cover, line it up, slide it in place, and push it down.